Okay, well I'm going to change the coil on this 99 F150. This is the coil. They're about 55, 60 bucks a piece. They're not too cheap, so I'm having to replace basically one every payday. When I get paid, I buy me a new one. This is the second one I'm replacing. And typically I'm going to replace the spark plug coil pack at the same time. I've already got all the spark plugs, just not the coils. The spark plugs, they're pretty cheap. It's these things here that cost so much. Because a lot of times with these old coils, when you go to take them out, they'll tear. This rubber piece right here, a rip, tear, whatever. So if that happens and you don't have a coil, then you're kind of screwed. But anyway, this is one of the easier ones to get to. The ones in the back will be the pain in the ass. But all I should need is this socket with extension. It's a 7mm, I believe. But anyway, maybe I can do this in about 10 minutes tops, I hope. You just take this, there's a little clip in the back. Pop that off like that. I've already disconnected my fuel line there. But where did it go to? It's around here somewhere. Oh, there it is right there, hiding behind the oil thing. But anyway, I'll move that. Just loosen that like that. Maybe I got the camera right. It's not too tight. Engine's still kind of hot. There's always something in your way. That's why I decided to, one of the reasons I decided I don't really like mechanic work much, but stuff like this is, for the most part, do-it-yourself type stuff. This alternators, I just put an alternator on here not long ago. The last one I did, I lost the bolt to it. I could not find it nowhere, so if I lose this one, I actually have two backups because I had to go buy some. I bought a 3-pack of them. But I mean, literally looked for it for like, 20, 30 minutes, couldn't find it nowhere. Damn, that's hot. It's hot now, alright, that's out. So it is disconnected, so now, you see zip ties are good for everything. See, take that out, that's the old one. That's the new one. This is a Duralast, I'm not sure what that is. I don't know how long ago. I haven't changed them since I had this truck. I've had this truck 6 years, I guess. See, there it is. Thought I already lost the bolt to it. So, basically, you just put that down in there. Now, and the funny thing about me losing the bolt the last time was I didn't lose it trying to line it up and put it back in. I lost it when I set it up here. It fell down in that hole over there, and where it went, I don't know. You'd think this would be where if I lost it, it would be lost at, but it was not. That's in there. Maybe not. No, it's in there. I believe. Yep. There we go. We got tight enough then. Put that pressure on them there, that'll help it. Be the easier way. It's just the motor's hot. I'm trying not to touch it as much as I can. Right. There we go. Alright, that's in there. So should be, I should hook right up. Fuel filter. I mean my fuel filter, my fuel hookup. Just making sure it's lit good. Alright, that should be it. Double check to make sure my that's tight. That's hooked up. Alright, now find my keys. Double check one more time just to make sure I don't have nothing laying on here. It's in the way or anything. Alright, everything should be bueno. Everything seems to be good. So that is all. That's it. Just 6 more to go. I don't know if I record doing some of those in the back, but there'll probably be a lot of cussing because, as you can see, they're going to be a pain in the ass to get to. But alright, that's it.